Yo, what's going on guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own read-only channel on Discord. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is right click the left hand side and create our channel. We are now going to go to the settings of said channel and put send messages on X. X means no, meaning that no one can send messages in this channel apart from people with perms. Now I've set the at everyone rule to not be able to send messages. Therefore, no one can send messages in this channel unless they have administrator perms. And you see, we're going to view the server as at everyone, and we do not have the permission to send messages in this channel, yet we can read it. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a role in this Discord server. I'm going to go ahead and name it Big Dog. I'm now going to put the color as purple, and I'm going to go over to the read-only channel. And I'm gonna put the permissions for Big Dog on able to send messages. And now as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself the Big Dog role, or view the server as the Big Dog role, and I can now send messages in it. Now if I go back to at everyone, I can no longer send messages in it. Big Dog, I can. Peace out, see you guys in the next video, and I hope this helped. See you later.